In this video, I will show you how you can change your vehicle on Uber Eats. So you can do this on mobile or on desktop. What you want to do is just open up a browser and gonna search for change Uber Eats delivery vehicle. From there, click on change delivery method. And here, what you want to gonna do is scroll down, and you will need to sign into your account as well, which you can do in the top right, but I'm already signed in. Then here, just choose what you want to change your vehicle to. So for example, a motorized bicycle. Then here enter the maker, model, and year, and the license plate right there. Then a photo of the license plate if you have one, and then enter I agree if you do, and then click submit, and then they will know that you want to change your vehicle, and then they will update it or reach out to you. And this is for if you do Uber Eats. If you want to do it as a normal Uber driver, then click the second link that says updating your vehicle. And then from here, you can also change your vehicle that you're using on Uber. So you can go manage vehicles. And then if you have any, you will see them right here. You can also add new ones, delete old ones, etc. So that's how to change your vehicle on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.